Money tip number one is bootstrapping. So make sure starting off with essentially your own time, effort and money to see if the concept of your business is validated. So you want to validate your idea before you can either kind of take it to a venture capitalist. And the main reason for this is control. For me, it's control. So I own all my business. I don't have venture capitalist money. I don't have other funding money. And it means I keep control of my business, which is really great for me. It means I can essentially have freedom to do work when I want to. I don't have to answer to investors. I can choose how I run my business, which for me, that's great. It might not be good for everyone, but essentially I think bootstrapping, if you're starting a business today, bootstrapping is the best way to do it. It's never been easier or cheaper to start your own business. So all you need is a laptop, internet connection, and even you can do Instagram, an idea on Instagram, and then you can start actually starting your own business. So mindset tip number one is to bootstrap your business idea. So we're covering business ideas and business mindset, essentially doing it yourself, pulling yourself up by your own bootstraps, investing your time, energy and money into that business. Tip number two for starting your own business, so mindset business number two, is essentially starting small and then going big. So what do I mean by this? Essentially you need to test your business idea. So don't put loads of money into the concept of your idea before you test it small. So you want to be testing it, do micro testing, go to your friends, your family or people you know and testing that idea. Is it going to work first of all before investing loads of money into this business idea? So this was a big mindset change for me. And yes, essentially testing small. And it's never been easier just to put you can even put a Facebook ad out and testing if that's going to work. If you're going to, or just a piece of paper, a sign up sheet, and just essentially going to test that idea before you start investing lots of money into a business idea that may not work or hasn't been tested. So it's all about testing that idea first of all. Focuses away from what doesn't work to what does work. So testing that idea to making sure it works small, and then essentially making sure that kind of idea works big. So that's concept number two. So essentially, yeah. And once you've got that business idea working small, then you can test and refine it and improve it and build that idea up yourself to actual concept of a business that's going to generate profits, which is the whole point of